Hi friends, welcome to Distract DS. Today we going to discuss about 3D mapping of Palakkad district. Okay, how it is important of Palakkad district 3D map, how it is helping for study, how it is analysis, how it is planning and future and present planning. So this all I am going to discuss it today. And also I am going to giving demonstration how I'm going to prepare 3D map. Okay. First of all, you have to open your ArcScene tool. Open. Then when you are open your ArcScene tool, the table of content if is not available here, you have to get it from here. You can see here table of content one is here, otherwise you can go to window also table of content is there. So click it on here. Then after scene layer is there. So we need to set your projection first. So go to here, scene layer, right click, then scene properties. After properties, here geographic coordinate system is in, then projected coordinate system is in. Here I am going to selecting projected coordinate system. After UTM, then after WGS 1984, then after northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Then so I am selecting here northern hemisphere. Then northern hemisphere, which is my zone that I have to select. Here is my zone WGS 1984 UTM zone 43 north. That is my zone. Now we created projection. Then after we need to add our input. So here I am going to using Bhuvan image. I was download from Bhuvan portal. So you can also download from Bhuvan portal. First you have to create one account and you can download which area you want to download from the Bhuvan. Okay, you want to, so go to adding. This is my downloaded file. Actually this is two images. Myself I downloaded two images and I merged it and created one because I need to extract my boundary from this image. Okay, then after extracted file I'm going to open. Okay, this is my after extraction Palakkad district. Okay, now we already created, we set our projection. Now we need to set our height of this land. Okay, right click on here, then properties. You can see general, source, extent, display, symbology, base heights, time, rendering. So here I need to set my height. So I need to select or click base height. Then here you can see no elevation value from a surface. So what we need to create a 3D map. So that means you have to click on plotting on a surface, custom surface. After you can check fact to convert layer elevation values to scene units. Okay, then check. I am giving here 5. If you want to give 5 or 10, you can give, not an issue. This is totally depend on your view. Now you can see the land surface how it is changed. Then now we want to change this color because this color not proper to convey the land information. So here I can change my color. Just go here. Changing color is two ways. Is there one? You can click on double click here, then symbology, then you can change your color. Otherwise you can click here, then you can change here, then you select your color, then OK. Now we can see the surface how it is. So now you see this is the nearest, so that's the reason this look like blur. So this we can change. Just click on your layer, then here display is there. This you have to change nearest neighbor, you need to change, and you set it bilinear interpolation. Now you can see the changes. Yes, now it's a good look. Okay, so then also you feel you need to know more about this land, the plane area. Just click on here, invert. Now you can see the land view how it is. Then this you just close it because it will help you to view very big. Okay, now you see this is a Palakkad district. One is a Malambara and one is Nelliyambadi hills. Okay, in between the central area is the most of the cultivation and settlements are there. Okay, based on this land you can see where the land undulating is there, where it is the plain area, then which area is a more low land. So now you can see these are the undulating. Comparatively, if we compare between these two hill stations and the plain area, so small hill station is this, not a hill station, it's small. You can see. So based on this 3D view, you can plan your study, and if you go to start new project or new land study, then all we can do with the help of 3D mapping of any area, not only Palakkad or any particularly. If you have the image or if you have the geospatial data, you can study about the land, then you can plan yourself, and you can plan your, and then you can get your analysis, and you can planning, and you can the decision making you can do based on these maps. Because how you going to helping the decision making, you can see here this is a lowland. How I am going to say, you can see here is river, so that means this is a lowland. In this lowland, if you have settlement data, you can here add it and look at wherever settlements, then based on settlement how many population, this all we can understand. So when it is coming any particular the heavy rain and dam water, anything if it happen, we can check it out here. Since if it is in water body means how it is land view. Land if it's in plain area, there have more chance to water being. So water flow will come more fast here. Then another you can check it out here. Here it is a more plain view. You can see the land is in, most of the land is plain. Compare between this and here you just comparing, this is a plain area. So we can assume here is a more chance settlement, the cultivation it will be there. Okay, then if you want to study about this hill station, you can study, because how much is the height from the sea level that we can study. So based on this height and this study, we can predict if we have any settlement in near to the hill station. Then the study of this rock, if there is chance of any landslide, anything is there, that also we can predict, okay, based on our the view of our hill. Then if we need any heavy rain, that time we can, few people we can move from the wherever the vulnerability area, they move from vulnerable to secure area. That type of study we can do. Okay, so this is a way to preparing of the map. Okay. And we can predict if we need more study about this land, we can study, because in this map or in this image you can see the water bodies are there. So this water body base we can, the future or in the present base, in present if we have any flooding happen, in the future we can predict based on the current database. So that is a way of study with the 3D maps. So elevation data always helping to the detailed study of particular land. Then this will helping more to understand of the land. Yes. Yes. Yes, thanks for watching. If you have anyone comment, please comment. My YouTube channel is there, this video will be there.